Hello dear students, we already completed one topic, so that's one is motion in a straight line. In that topic we already studied about what is rest, motion, distance, displacement. It means difference between distance and displacement, and velocity, speed, acceleration, and difference between velocity and speed and acceleration. It means we already studied this thing, and another one is relative velocity, and so many derivations are there, and equations. It means the kinematic equations. It means s is equal to ut plus half it square, and v square is equal to u square plus 2as, and another one is v is equal to u plus at. You already know that these things. It means we already completed motion in a straight line. And the next topic, motion in a plane. Okay, in motion in a straight line we have to study about these things. Means so here we know that object traveling along a straight line. Why? Because a straight line, motion in a straight line, it means we consider that only one axis. For example, here we consider that so x-axis and y-axis, another one is z-axis. It means motion in a straight line. So object traveling along a straight line, it means we consider that only one axis. Suppose x-axis or y-axis. But here in the next topic we study about object travel in a plane. Yes, so plane means so here, so this one is x-axis and this one is y-axis, and this one we consider that xy plane. Suppose, and here x-axis and z-axis, so this one is a zx plane, y-axis and a z-axis, so this one we consider that a yz plane. For example, here we consider that a board. Yes, so this board means so this one we consider that a xy plane. You already know that 3D and 2D things. So 2D, it means a 2 dimension. 3D, 3 dimension. 1D, it means a 1 dimension. So 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension means suppose here we consider that a 1 dimension. So 1 dimension means a object traveling along a straight line. It means we consider that only one axis. For example, here object we consider that present in a origin. It's a traveling along a x-axis, and it's a distance we consider that a 2 meter. So 2 meter means along x-axis 2 meter. It means y-axis value 0. So this reason here we consider that coordinates 2, 0. Why? Because along y-axis value is 0, x-axis we consider that a 2. Suppose object moving upward direction, so upward direction up to 4 meter. It means so here origin, and this one is 1, 2, 3, up to we consider that this one is 4 meter. Okay, so here it's a traveling along a straight line. It means its coordinate along x-axis is 0 and y-axis we consider that 4. Yes, suppose object moving along a z-axis up to 3 meter. Z-axis, so x-axis, y-axis, and this one is z-axis. Suppose up to 3 meter. It means x-axis value 0 and y-axis value is also 0, and z-axis we consider that suppose x-axis 0, y-axis is 0, and z-axis up to we consider that 3 meter. And here x-axis value 2, y-axis value 0, z-axis, so that one is also 0. And here x-axis is 0 and y-axis is 4, and z-axis we consider that 0. It means so here we will use only one coordinate in one dimension. Why? Because object moving along a straight line. Andra ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು coordinates use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Only one coordinate. So why? Because object moving along a straight line. It means a single line. Only here we consider that only one axis. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು one axis ಇಷ್ಟ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ರೀ. ಹಿಂಗಾಗಿ along x axis, so 2, It means along x-axis means x we consider that particular value, y-axis 0 and z-axis also 0, and here x-axis value 0 and y we consider that particular value and z-axis, so this one is 0, and here x-axis is 0, y-axis is 0 and z-axis particular value. ಹೌದಾ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇರ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಲೈನ್. Yes, so that's one is a one-dimensional motion. Another one we consider that a two-dimensional motion. It means motion of an object required two coordinates. For example, here object moving in a plane. For example, here x-axis and a y-axis. Suppose object moving in this direction, and here we consider that a final position of a object. Okay, so final position of a object. So here we consider that x-axis coordinate and y-axis coordinate. For example, here, so 1 and this one is a 2 and a 3 and a 4, and here 1 and this one is 2 and this one is 3 and this one is 4. Okay, so this reason the coordinate of this body or the coordinates of this object we consider that 2, 2. Why? Because along x-axis 2 and along y-axis, so that's one is also 2. It means so here object required two coordinate motion in a plane. So this one is a xy plane. Suppose here object position we consider that 3, 4, 0. It means 3. Okay, so here we consider that along x-axis 3, yes, and y-axis 4, along y-axis 4. Okay, so this one we consider that a position of a object. It means so body require two coordinates. For example, we consider that aeroplane motion. Okay, so this aeroplane motion. So this one is a two-dimensional motion. Suppose object moving along a straight line. Okay, one dimension motion, and this one is a two-dimension motion. Suppose we want to calculate a position of an object here. Okay, so position of object along x-axis 4 and y-axis 1. So this one is a position of an object. It means we want to find out a particular position of an object, we require two coordinates. It means we want two axes. Suppose here we consider that yz axis, and here so object position along the y-axis and along the z-axis. It means whenever object moving in an aeroplane motion, it's require two coordinates. So that's when we consider that two dimension. It means aeroplane motion we consider that a two-dimensional motion. Why? Because we want to find out a position of object by using two coordinates. ನಾನು ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಟೂ ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಬೇಕರಲ್ಲಿ? ಟೂ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಟೂ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಮೋಷನ್. ಎಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಟೂ ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನಲ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಅದರ ನೀವು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, ಹೌದಾ, ಟಿ ವಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರ್ ಒಳಗೆ. ಸೊ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದ್ರಿ? ರೈಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಅಥವಾ ಅಪ್ ಡೌನ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಟು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ಸ್. So this one is a two-dimensional motion. Okay, left to right to up to down ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ರಿ? ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನಾ? ಈ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಮೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ two-dimensional motion. ಎಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನು ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. Yes, only single plane. Suppose we want to find out this position, it means we require y coordinates and x coordinate, and suppose we want to find out this position, we want x coordinate and y coordinate. Suppose this position x coordinate and y coordinate, we don't need any z axis coordinate. Why? Because it is present in a single plane. So this reason, so this one we consider that a two-dimensional motion. Another one is a three-dimensional motion. So three dimension. Okay, suppose object it is in a space. Object it is in a space. We have to find out the position of that object. It means we require three coordinates. One is x coordinates, y coordinates and z coordinates. For example, here we consider that this one is a x coordinate and a y coordinate, and this one is a z coordinate. Suppose here we consider that so this one is a x coordinate, y coordinate, and this one is a z coordinate. Suppose object position for one dimension, so this one is the object position. So here object position, we want to find out object position means we require only one axis coordinate, it means single coordinate. Suppose object present here, we want a x axis and a y axis coordinate. Suppose object present here at particular position here, so this point is, so how to find out? So see here, one second. So this one is a 3 dimension. Yes, okay. We want to find out a position of object. It means we require 3 coordinate to find out a position of a object. So one coordinate from x axis, another coordinate from y axis, another coordinate from a z axis. Why? Because it is present in a space. Suppose we want to find out a position of a object. Okay, so this one is a position of an object. We require one x coordinate, another one is y coordinate height, next z coordinate. Yes, then only we will find out the position of an object. Nodri, object on the space ಒಳಗದ ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಹೌದಾ, ಇದರ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? x ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ y ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬೇಕು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ z ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? Suppose here we consider that so this one is a position of an object. Position of an object. Suppose if you think that the position of object is present in a space. The object is in a space. Suppose y coordinate, x coordinate, and this one is a z coordinate. Okay, suppose object position here, object position. We want to find out the position of object. We require x coordinate, y coordinate and a z coordinate. Then only we will find out this position of a object. For example, here. So along here, suppose along a x coordinate and a particular height, y coordinate and a z coordinate. X, y, z. So these 3 coordinates are required to find out the object position. So this one we consider that a 3 dimension. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡುವಾಗ, ಹೌದಾ, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೋ ಥಿಯೇಟರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ, ಹೌದಾ, ಆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ನಿಂದ ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದರು, ಹೌದಾ. ಸೊ ಒಬ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಂಗ್ರಿ? ಸಪೋಸ್ ಅವ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋದ, ರೈಟ್ ಹೋದ, ಅಪ್ ಹೋದ, ಡೌನ್ ಹೋದ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಏನ್ರಿ? 2 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಬರುವುದೇನಾದ್ರಿ? ಅದು 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಹೌದಾ, 3D ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ 3D ಫಿಲ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಎಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್, ವೈ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ and another one is z axis. Okay, so this one is a 3 dimension. Okay, so 1 dimension, 2 dimension, 3 dimension. Okay, so next topic we consider that a motion in a plane. In motion in a plane, we have to study about a projectile motion. So projectile motion, it means here I already told that aeroplane motion. It means we want to find out the position of object. It means we require 2 coordinates. It means 2 coordinates means so this one is we consider that a 2-dimensional motion. So here we study about a 2-dimensional motion. Okay, so motion in a plane. For example, so this one we consider that xy plane. Yes, suppose object it is traveling in this shape. We want to find out a position. One thing, suppose object present in a space, we have to find out a position of object. So how to find out this position of a object? We have to study in a motion in a plane topic. Yes, so this reason here we consider that in motion in a plane, motion in a plane. In this topic, we have to study about first thing is scalar and vectors. Scalar and vectors. Without a scalar and vectors, we cannot study about a motion in a plane. ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ರೀ, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ರೀ. ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ vectors, scalars and vectors. Okay, I think you already know that what is scalar and vector. Yes, so scalar, it means the which physical quantity having only magnitude. So that's when we consider that a scalar. And vector, the which physical quantity having both magnitude as well as the direction. So that's when we consider that a vector. And how to represent this scalar and how to represent vectors. And any different types of vectors are there. We have to study about vectors. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವಾದರೂ ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅದಾವ ಅನ್ನೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ರೀ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ನಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್, like vectors, unlike vectors. It means different types of vectors are there. We have to study these things in vectors. Without vectors, we cannot study motion in a plane. Nan vectors ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ರೀ. So this reason, the first point we have to study about the scalars and the vectors. Next one, different types of vectors are there. We have to study about different types of vectors. Now we will different types of vectors ಅನ್ನು study ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So this one is a second thing. And next one, addition, subtraction and multiplication of vectors. How to add the vectors and subtracts and multiplication. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸನ್ನು, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಯಾವುದ್ರಿ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ different laws are there. Yes, it means different additions laws are there. It means here we consider that parallelogram, law of vector addition. Another one is triangle law of vector addition. Another one is polygonal law of vector addition. It means different laws are there. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಅವು, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಹೌದಾ, ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾವುದ್ರಿ, ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟು ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್. In motion in a plane, we have to find out the position of a object. It means, for example, here next concept, motion in a plane. For example, here object, it is in a particular plane. It means xy plane. We have to study about position of this object and the motion of this object and height of object and time interval. Height, time, acceleration, velocity, horizontal velocity, vertical velocity. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಏನ್ರಿ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ 3 dimension. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ಹೌ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಅ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ and which type of vector we will use to find out this position of a object. It means different types of vectors are there. So one is a resolution vector, it means a resultant vector. Different types of vectors are there. By using this vector, we have to study about the position of a object. Yes. And next one, So here circular motion, suppose object it is in a circular motion. For example, here we want to find out a position of a object and velocity, acceleration and a time interval. It means so this object present in a xy plane, it means it is in a object present in a plane. So this reason okay, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಾ? ಸೊ ಮೋಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ರಿ?